Welcome to Marmomac. Today we are presenting an exclusive preview of the new SX3r, part of the SX series family. But here in Verona, you will be able to see it in an even more interesting setup, integrated into a complete, fully automated line. The new SX3, also available in a 5-head version, is a fast cutting machine with increased stroke and maximum reliability, designed for those seeking uncompromising efficiency. But the real strong point we are showcasing here at the fair is our industrial vision. Machine integrated into automated system to optimize time, cost, and productivity. Come and see it for yourself. Donatoni technology in action. Because today, the future of stone processing is not just about precision, it's about intelligent automation.